Hello and welcome back to Epoch of Air. As there are many roadblocks ahead, but despite that, effort is being led by Indian Defence Research and Development Organizations alongside with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in order to modernize Indian Air Force fleet and to replace stock of older fighter aircrafts including Jaguar, MiG-21 and Mirage 2000 fighter jets. Indian Air Force is looking upon DRDO to manufacture indigenous advanced medium combat aircraft program called AMCA. The AMCA fighter aircraft is intended to perform a multitude of missions including air superiority, ground strike, suppression of enemy air defenses, and electronic warfare missions. Later at some point in time, Su-30 MKI air superiority fighters will be replaced with AMCA. The AMCA project has undergone multiple iterations in the past 10 years, but the core pilot project is to build stealth, single-seat, multi-role fighter aircraft for Indian Air Force. In 2018, India deliberately withdrew from the joint Indo-Russian 5th generation fighter aircraft program to manufacture a new fighter jet based on Russia's Su-57 fighter jets. India had major technical reservations primarily on the Su-57 stealth, performance and electronic warfare capabilities. That is the reason why Indian side predicts Su-57 a liability in light of Indian Air Force goal to build up its indigenous fighter aircraft as a part of Make in India initiative. As a 5th generation fighter aircraft embedded with 6th generation characteristics, the AMCA will have a low power radar cross-section, thus providing superior stealth performance. AMCA has been integrated with the artificial intelligence-based system for precision aerial engagement and an advanced cockpit display with a touchscreen user interface. The fighter will feature beyond visual range missile targeting capability. In addition to the general pack of air-to-air missiles, standoff weapons and guided bombs, the fighter will also reportedly support directed energy weapon system which will provide 100% kill capability during aerial engagement. The prototype of AMCA aircraft seems more similar to Lockheed Martin's F-35 jet than to Russia's Su-57 jet or China's J-20 jet. AMCA is currently expected to make its maiden flight by 2025 with serial production to start by 2028. But delivery timeline is most likely to change in the coming years as the projects move further along in cooperation with new requirements and technologies. If you like my video, hit on the subscribe, and in case you have more information to add, the comment section is below for you guys.